Chapter 6 Introduction to Data Science. Chapter Outline. In this chapter, you will learn data science, key components of data science, applications of data science, careers in the field of data science life cycle, role of a data scientist. KB. Ambi, I thought data is information that we store in the computer. Ambi. That's right, KB. KB. Then how can this information be science? Ambi. I cannot get you, KB. What do you mean by that? KB. I'm hearing a lot about data science these days. How can data or information be science? Ambi. No, data science does not mean that data is science. It means the study of data. Let me explain this in detail to you. Data science. Data science is the study of available data to extract meaningful information for better decision making. It is a multidisciplinary field that is a combination of mathematics, statistics, artificial intelligence, and computer engineering methods that help analyzing large amounts of data. Smart Connect. There are approximately 400,000 bytes of data for every grain of sand on Earth. Advantages of data science. Some of the advantages of data science are mentioned below. Improved decision making. Data science helps organizations in faster and better decision making to earn higher profits. For example, a company can use data science technology to analyze computer preferences and market trends. This in turn helps in making better decisions related to product development and progressive marketing strategies. Wide range of applications. Data science has many applications which are widely used in the field of healthcare, banking, consultancy services, e-commerce industries, etc. Enhanced business intelligence. Business intelligence involves the use of tools, applications, and methodologies to analyze and present business information, which has helped various industries to automate their tasks. Companies are using historical data to train machines in order to perform repetitive tasks. Data science enhances business intelligence in the following ways. Complex data analysis. Advanced analytics that include descriptive analytics and prescriptive analytics. Improved data quality. Customization. Visualization. Knowledge discovery. Fraud detection and risk management. Data science help in identifying the fraudulent behavior of the individual by analyzing large volumes of data and detecting any suspicious activity that may indicate fraudulent practices. It also supports risk management by analyzing historical data to identify various risks involved. Personalized computer experience. The data is collected from various sources such as transaction histories, website visited, apps used, and the social media activity to build comprehensive customer profiles. The data science algorithms then process this data to identify trends to reveal customer interests and buying preferences. This analysis provides the companies with supportive data on the basis of which they offer their customers personalized product recommendations. For example, Amazon, an e-commerce platform, uses collaborative and content-based filtering techniques to suggest products that customers are likely to be interested. Career opportunities. Data is the most important component for computing nowadays, so the field of data science is in high demand, which has given rise to a large number of career opportunities such as data scientist, data mining engineer, data architect, database developer, and many more. Disadvantages of data science. Some disadvantages of data science are data privacy. Since data is the main component for data science, it becomes important to keep it safe to avoid fraudulent activities, but the information obtained can be misused against any individual or an organization. Difficulty mastering data science. Data science tools are very costly and complex to understand, so we need proper training before using them. Also, it is very difficult to select the right tools because their selection is based on the proper knowledge of the tools as well as their accuracy in analyzing the data and extracting information. Adequate domain knowledge. Large amount of domain knowledge is required because a solution for a particular case may not be suitable for other cases. Inappropriate predictive analysis. Data science helps in predictive analysis, that is, using data to forecast future trends. This can help businesses and organizations plan and prepare for the future, but inappropriate prediction can lead to massive loss to the organization. Components of data science. The various key components of data science are discussed below. Data. The most important component of data science cycle is the structured, unstructured, or semi-structured data. The structured data refers to the type of data which is mostly stored in the form of tables, whereas unstructured data is unformatted and unorganized, which is available in the form of images, videos, PDFs, etc., and cannot be processed and analyzed. Programming languages. Once the data is obtained, it is organized and analyzed with the help of visualization software tools such as Hadoop and Tableau, as well as the programming languages. Python and R are the two programming languages which are most prominent in the field of data science. Mathematics. Mathematics, being one of the core components of data science, helps in identifying different data patterns. These data patterns are identified using various mathematical computations and techniques. Thus, a good knowledge of mathematics helps to develop any application of data science, as all the algorithms are designed after identifying the patterns in the data. Statistics. Once the data is collected, it is manipulated and analyzed to extract meaningful information using various statistical tools. These tools help in analyzing all types of structured, unstructured, and semi-structured data to find meaningful patterns from it. Machine learning. Machine learning automates the process of data analysis and makes real-time data-informed predictions. These machine learning algorithms enable the model to learn from the data itself. It provides the systems with the ability to automatically learn and improve from experiences. Applications of data science. Let us now learn about some of the popular applications of data science algorithms in various fields. Search engine. The search engine is an application software that helps searching information on any topic. Popular search engines like Google, Yahoo, Bing, etc. make use of data science algorithms to fast-track searches by providing suggestions and recommendations. Face recognition. Data science also plays an important role in image recognition. When you upload photos on any social media platform, it automatically highlights faces and gives suggestions for tagging who is in the picture. This is done with the help of machine learning and data science. E-commerce. Data science plays a key role in the growth of e-commerce sector. E-commerce websites like Amazon, Flipkart, etc. uses data science to make a better user experience with personalized recommendations. When we search for something on the e-commerce websites, we get recommendations according to most bought, most rated, most searched products. This is all possible with the help of data science. Ride-sharing applications. Big data and data science algorithms are the basic foundations of ride-sharing applications like Uber and Ola. These companies use a mixture of internal and external data to estimate fares automatically using street traffic data, GPS data, etc. As soon as a user requests for a ride, the algorithms match the user with the most suitable driver within a 15-second window, set the fare and allocate it. Healthcare. Data science has brought a revolutionary change in the healthcare industry. The doctors can now detect and track common health conditions such as cardiac or respiratory diseases. Regular collection of patient data and its analysis help the doctors to decide an effective line of treatment. Data science life cycle. Data science is the field that involves fetching the relevant data from a large data set. It is an interdisciplinary field that applies statistical, mathematical, and scientific methods to create and extract data. Data science life cycle has 5 stages: obtain, scrub, explore, model, interpret. Stage 1, obtain, refers to extracting data from various sources such as apps, websites. Stage 2, scrub, converting the collected data into a format that the machine understands. Stage 3, explore, refers to extracting patterns within the data. Stage 4, model, after the data is extracted, a data model is prepared. Stage 5, interpret, refers to using the algorithms to train the models for representing the information in an easy-to-understand format. Role of a data scientist. A data scientist is a professional having knowledge of domains like mathematics, computer science, and statistics who specializes in analyzing and interpreting data. They use their data science skills to help organizations make better decisions and improve their operations. Technical skills required to be a data scientist. Preferably a PhD or master's degree in statistics, computer science, or engineering. Ability to deal with a large amount of data. Knowledge of machine learning. Should have good presentation skills. Knowledge of SAS and other analytical tools. Should be familiar with programming tools like Python, R, SQL. Data mining and processing. Data manipulation and visualization skills. Non-technical skills required to be a data scientist. Should have good domain knowledge, intellectual curiosity, strong communication skills, a strong business acumen, great data intuition. Smart Connect. 80% of a data scientist's time is spent organizing data. Tech terms. Data science, study of available data to extract meaningful information for better decision making. Data scientist, a professional having knowledge of domains like mathematics, computer science, and statistics who specializes in analyzing and interpreting data.